ass, nigga. Yeah, let's get right. Good morning. Nigga. Wake and bake it, eggs and bacon, nigga. Yeah. Oh, nigga, everybody want to have a joke on Ben. We want to joke with Ben, huh? Yeah, let's see who's going to get the last laugh, Negro. Yeah. Little nigga always want to troll. Oh, he just trolling. He just trolling. I got your motherfucking troll, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, they ain't gonna save you this time, is they? Yeah, they give back a motherfucker. I swear it is. I swear it is. You ever heard of a nigga drowning in 2 gallons of egg yolk? I might leave a little piece of shell in that joint. Just a little bit. Yeah, nigga.